We are bobber fishing for crappie. This is a technique that we rarely use. You know, one of the reasons that is the case is we've only, like I mentioned in my previous videos, we've only just started chasing crappie. So I know that some of you had said, you know, fishing underneath the bobber is a good technique for them. So we're giving it a try. Oh, Curtis got a bite. He missed. Strike one, buddy. Strike one. Yeah, Curtis is using the 1-inch flex bug. He's getting more bites than I am. I'm using a 1.5 inch chartreuse and white flex bug at the moment. Let me shorten up my leader. You know, they did tell me crappie like the bait high, so crappie always look up when they bite. Was that a hit? I didn't see it. I wasn't paying attention to yours. Yep, I see the bite right there. Oh. Oh, that's a nice crappie. Oh, mine's down. Oh, what'd I tell you? I got a crappie too, but I landed mines.
Oh, you have to rub it in. Mine.
You over there losing fish.
Well, I can hardly lose fish.
Where we at? Oh, I went down. Second try, huh?
Second try.
Oh, man. Missed. Oh, man. Again, bro. Oh, right there, bobber's down. Oh, and it came back up. Oh. Usually you'd think that a bite like that would be good enough for us to hook onto the fish, but I guess not. Oh, bobber down right there. Oh, still miss. I don't remember that log. The log is more up there, but oh yeah, I forgot about that. He was gonna take a picture. Oh, got one. Oh, that's a crappie right here, folks. What a slab. Oh, look at this slab of a crappie, folks. All right, what we were targeting here. Nice crappie. Your bobber's down. Where is it?
All the way down.
Oh, I don't see it. Where is it? Yeah, look at that. I was like, I didn't see that. I got it. Crappie. 1-inch white flex bug.
I just left it right here when I got the crappie.
Right there is down. Oh, I just got a bite too.
I just left it there.
Let's try that again. Yeah, we can go up a little bit, Curtis. Keep trying along the side. We're gonna be playing back and forth around. Oh, bobber down. Oh, another crappie here. Oh, never mind, Curtis.
Just leave it out there.
Yeah, just leave it out there. Yep. Oh man. Beautiful fish.
Lazy person fish.
Beautiful fish. Okay, folks. Bobber fishing is definitely new to us. I noticed that we are missing a lot of bites though when we're trying to fish for crappie underneath the bobber. What do you guys suggest we do to maximize our chances of hooking into these crappie when we do get a bite? Right here is good. This way we got this whole area covered. Oh, right there, yeah, see? I know where the fish are at. All right, let's adjust the leader on the bobber as we try to find more fish. I want to make it a little bit longer. Okay. So right there. Right now it's probably about 18 inches. 18 to 20 inch leader. Ooh, damn. Bro, did you hear that?